Hey everyone, previous video was downloading the client. This video is getting a capture. I'm not going to be able to demo very much because Uperform is very broken for me on the CSI laptop as well as my personal device. But what I can show you is getting some clicks and maybe changing some text, for instance. So after you downloaded the client and you've opened it up and you connect it to the server, you're going to see this. You're going to go here and click New. File name, I'm just going to do Thomas Test. The naming convention hasn't been provided to us yet, so, there's that. Type recording. If it's going to be a document, I would suggest just going into the Library Center and uploading document. But I'm going to do recording for this project. This is, this determines the template. Both of these are going to be the same. I'm just going to do Epic. Then property set, UPMC, language English, want to make sure you choose that so that it translates all the step text and all that into English, and you can actually retranslate it later from the same recording. And then there's the location. This is not where you're uploading it into the server. This is where this project file will sit. So I'm just going to let it be in my downloads. I already got one there with the same name, so I'm just going to overwrite it. All right, and this is kind of like, I don't know what you would call this, capture window or something like that. But this is going to be present the whole time that you are recording. A few things as far as setup before you start recording, you want to make sure whatever you're recording is full screen. And sometimes you could even go to, like, say, I had a window open. I believe you can click F11 on Chrome. It didn't work here, but yeah, it just says it's not a programmable key. But you may want to do full screen so there's not toolbars and stuff. Make sure nothing else is on your screen, and yeah, that's really it. And make sure you're at a point in the software where you want to start the capture. Make sure if you're getting Epic captures that the Epic environment is ready, that the patients are ready, that all the details are ready. Otherwise, you will have to do something. So I'm going to do a few practice clicks on here. You're going to want to do record, and then you can start getting some clicks. So I'm just going to click a couple of times on the background. It tells me what window I'm in. I'm on the desktop, and what I did. I clicked. So I'm going to click the Uperform icon now. And as you can see, when I hover, I get a little help text there. It does that a lot in Epic, and it ruins the screenshot sometimes. So you want to maybe find the button that you're going to want to click, kind of back off, and then boom, get a quick little click on there to avoid it capturing, that help text there. So that's a pro tip for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that now, and then I'm going to hover and show you what it looks like, the difference. I accidentally right clicked or left clicked. I don't know. So I accidentally got a click right there, and it shows you right there, number 5 click. That was an accident. I can actually just do the undo button to take that out. Now, say that I completely messed something up and have to close it and do some stuff. I can actually just pause the recorder and I can do whatever I want. See, I'm getting some clicks right here, and it's not messing up anything. And then when I correct it, I can come back and turn the recording back on. It captures left clicks, right clicks. It does drags as well, but I don't suggest doing drags or drag and drops or scrolls, and you'll see why. It does not look good in Uperform and requires quite a bit of editing, which I can show you how to do. But I think that's really it. That's all I can really show you as far as captures right now. Everything else is broke. So when I'm done, you click the stop button. This is going to put it together and take you to the editor. And here we are. We are in the editor now. So I think I'm actually going to make a separate video on editing because it's so detailed, or there's so much that you can say about it. So this video is all about just starting the captures, getting the captures, and and whatnot. And then now the next video will be editing.